Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversation.
Hi, friends. I'm Lina.
And I'm Jaxon. Today's topic is very fun and very useful.
Yes, today we talk about food you like.
We will practice simple sentences, easy English, real English.
Perfect for beginners. So relax and listen.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you like this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share.
It really helps us. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's start with a very important sentence.
Repeat after me. I like pizza.
Good job. Again, I like pizza.
You can change the food. For example, I like rice. I like chicken.
Now listen to me. I like apples.
Great! Now you try.
I like blank.
Nice! You're improving already.
Now let's make it stronger.
When food is your favorite, you say, I love.
Listen, I love burgers.
Again, I love burgers.
My example, I love ice cream.
Yummy! Now your turn. I love blank. Great job. That sounded good.
Now let's talk about daily food.
Breakfast first.
Listen carefully. My breakfast is bread and eggs.
Again, my breakfast is bread and eggs.
Here is another easy one. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds very real. Let me try. My quick breakfast is toast.
Good example. Now you say it. My breakfast is...
Excellent. You're doing great.
Now lunch.
Listen. For lunch, I eat rice and vegetables.
Again, for lunch, I eat rice and vegetables.
My turn. For lunch, I eat chicken.
Simple and clear. Now you try.
Nice work.
Now dinner.
For dinner, I like soup.
Again, for dinner, I like soup.
You can also say, I eat soup for dinner.
Good job if you noticed. Both sentences are correct. Now let's listen to a real conversation.
Listen first. Don't worry, you don't need to speak yet.
Jaxon, what food do you like?
I like pizza and pasta. What about you?
I love rice and fish.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
My quick breakfast is a banana. Sometimes I eat eggs.
Sounds healthy.
Now let's listen again, slowly.
Listen and repeat in your head.
Now you answer.
I ask, you answer. What food do you like?
Good job.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Excellent. That's real English.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
Repeat with us. I like pizza. I love ice cream. My breakfast is bread and eggs. My quick breakfast is a banana. For lunch, I eat rice. For dinner, I like soup.
Great job! You practiced real sentences today.
You are learning step by step, and yes, you are improving.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what food do you like the most? What do you eat for breakfast?
Write one simple sentence. That's enough.
We read your comments. We learn together.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.